Alright guys, welcome to the Works 86 channel. I'm CJ Works, and today I'm going to do a DIY on the 2018 Honda Accord 1.5 liter turbo. It's my own personal vehicle I use, you know. So as you can see, I'm going to point out a couple of things. Here's your dipstick right here, you know. You're going to have also your fill cap's going to be right here on the car, if you can see that. Make that out, that's the fill cap. It takes OW 20 weight. I decided to get some synthetic castor OW extended weights oil because it actually does its job. I've used this oil on many of my cars and I have not ever had an engine failure or engine problem with them. I really like castor oil. It holds up to its name, even during harsh driving. Not saying I'll race this car, but as for deliveries and stuff like that, no left to right turns, everything like that, motor getting hotter than usual, longer run times, this oil actually holds up to what it's supposed to do. There's a guy named Project Farmer. Why don't you check him out? He does a lot of oil testing on viscosities, heat, friction, all that. It's pretty awesome how he does it too. It's accurate to a T. So on this car, you also need to have a 3/8 drive socket and a 3/8 ratchet. That 3/8 ratchet is going to go to a 17mm socket. You're going to hook that up. That's going to be for the oil drain plug underneath the car. Okay, I'm going to show you that right now. Get underneath the car. After everything's jacked up, supported, chalked, you know, I got all that going on. Safety first before you even get underneath the car. Always remember that, rule 1. Alright, we're underneath. Now you can see where my ratchet is. It will also tell you, take that off real quick, that is engine oil. That's the drain plug for it right there. Here's your oil filter. Nothing's covered up on this car for that. It's easy access, easy maintenance. It will take you literally 30 minutes to do. Alright, so don't even hesitate to let the dealership fool you into thinking that this job is impossible to do on this car. It's not by any means. I'm gonna do it right now because I've been trying to get my stuff set up for y'all and it just ain't working the way I want. You know, so I had to do this with one-handed bandit, you know. Go all out. Whew, you know. Gotta keep the fans happy, you know what I mean? Whatever fans I got, I thank y'all for that support. Oh, this bad boy's on there. It's on there real good. Hold on. There we go. Whew. That bad boy was tight. They don't joke around. Other thing is, you also want to take the fill cap off. It actually helps with the gravity drain on the car for the oil change. Real talk. It's a little short trick. It's faster, you know, and you got to worry about too much. So go ahead and undo that screw. See if I can get some light on here for you. I know how everybody likes to see a little action there. You know, see if my hand's kind of dark. Darken up the light. You know, I don't want to darken up the light. Let's see if we can get out here, get you going. Might be a little better. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Ain't even tripping. We're gonna be probably done in 10 minutes, you know. I'm always optimistic about my time. I'm optimistic about it, baby. Ain't nothing but a thing. Get that oil out there, that dirty oil. Oh, there we go. This car takes 3.7 liters with the oil filter change. Directly out of the manual, owner's manual. It'll tell you that. You gotta read it, it'll tell you. If you own this car. If you own a 2.0 liter, it's generally in the same place. And also, the oil filter and change, it will equal 5 quarts. Remember that. That's duly noted. Alright. As the oil's draining, it's actually, I can double multitask and actually do the oil filter too because it's so close to the oil drain plug. That's one of the benefits of this car. So as the drain becomes less extreme, as it slows down on stream, I'm gonna come over here to the front, loosen it up. Just loosen up. Told you I'm CJ Works, baby. I do all types of things. Y'all just don't know yet, but I'm gonna show you. I might actually help y'all, teach y'all something. Y'all might teach me something. Heck, I'm always willing to learn. By the way, eventually I'm gonna get big enough. I'm gonna come after Speed Phenom out there in Southern California. I think I don't know who you are, dog. I know you racing on that track like 350R and GT500, but I'll come strolling up in that 350 I'm about to get. Be ready, because you ain't gonna be the fastest one on the track. Go ahead, pull the Corvette out. Pull the Corvette out. I'm gonna be right there with you, dog. I'm gonna be right behind you. You ain't gonna get away from me. I'll let you know that. And Mr. Demonology, it might take me a couple years to come get you. I'm not about to go out there and act like a fool and get my soul snatched. I'm gonna let you know that right now. That ain't happening. And also, drive away demons. Love you, man. Can't wait to get you on the track. That's where the fun is at. I can't wait to get you on the track, brother. Love y'all, man. Much love to all you and my fans, my subscribers. I hope I taught you guys a little bit on this video. I won't show the rest of it. Just hit me up in the comment box. I'll give you any details you need to know, and we can go from there. Also, like, subscribe, and give me that thumbs up. It helps support the channel. You know, it helps me do bigger and better things, and hopefully get my equipment ready to go for doing better videos. Get my sister down here and start helping me out. You know what I'm saying? A little help these days goes a long way. I'll catch you there, boss. Y'all have a good day.